We are site 9 for the bells.
Oh, you were supposed to be here yesterday.
Yeah.
When are you leaving?
Nope.
When are you leaving?
Monday morning.
Okay.
Hopefully as soon as possible Monday morning.
Okay. Have a good time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hey campers, if you're planning a trip to Baxter Campground in Lamp, Missouri, you're in for a treat, especially if you're staying at site number 9. Let's talk about what makes this spot awesome, plus the swimming beach and the marina nearby. So, site number 9. It's a spacious corner site, which means you get a little extra room to spread out. It's got a paved level pad, so setting up your RV or tent is super easy. No fighting with uneven ground. Plus, you've got electric hookups, water access, a picnic table, and a fire pit. Perfect for grilling up dinner or roasting marshmallows at night. And since it's close to the water, you get great views and easy access for fishing or just soaking in the lakeside vibes. If you need to cool off, the swimming beach is just a short walk away. It has a nice rock beach area and the water is super clear. Great for a quick dip or an all-day hangout. It's also a solid spot to bring the kids or just float around and relax. If you're into boating or just want to explore the lake, you've got to check out the Baxter Marina. It's right next to the campground and has a fuel fill-up station, plus a ship store stocked with snacks, drinks, ice, and tackle. Basically, everything you need for a great day on the water. Oh, and if you don't have your own boat, no worries. They rent out pontoons so you can cruise around Table Rock Lake in style. you're camping at Site 9, swimming at the beach, or hitting the lake from the marina, Baxter Campground has a little bit of everything. It's the perfect mix of relaxation and adventure, so pack your gear and get ready for a great time. We'll see you at the next mile marker.